Hey guys, welcome back. Crickett here with another sticker haul. This one is from one of my very favorite sticker shops, Cheerful Planner Girl, and I do have a code for her. And also don't forget that if you mention my name to Notes to Seller, you will get my freebie, and I will show that to you here in just a second. So really quickly, let me open this up for you. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to show you something really quickly. I don't know if she's got my... I ordered this during... I'm not sure if I ordered this during... Anyway, so let me show you really quickly. This was her birthday exclusive freebie. It was a weekend freebie. And I love strawberry shortcake. It was the one Halloween costume that I was allowed to have that had a mask on it when I was growing up. Don't ask me why, but anyway. So this was the Facebook group member exclusive. And here were the deco. Look how cute that face is. Come on, guys. So adorable. And then, again, extra, the Instagram follower. It had the half boxes, and then the deco full box, and then strawberry shortcake, and then like the washi strips. And then this was the freebie. And you got the days of the week, the full boxes, and quarter boxes. How cute. This was during the TPC sale. So this was the freebie. And it has the quarter boxes, and then it has Buzz Lightyear, the little alien, Woody, TPC. The next TPC sale is April 9th through the 13th, so it's coming up, guys. And look at our little Patricia. Isn't she cute? She's a doll baby. And then the You Have a Friend in Me deco. This is for the micro. How cute. Whoop, I'm dropping everything. Sorry, guys. This was the mini kit. Again, your full boxes, your days of the week, your quarter boxes, or half boxes, depending on what you're using them for. And then this was the Facebook member freebie. I mean, she gave away a lot of freebies. Quarter boxes, half boxes, full boxes. I mean, that's a whole kit right there, guys. Seriously. Check it out. She is very giving during these sales. And she will be in this next sale. I ordered some scripts from her. I love her scripts. She knows that. She knows I hate my handwriting, so I make her do it for me. So here are my Weight Watcher points scripts. And look, you get a ton, guys. These are her itty bitties. Then I got the work scripts. I got Nixie, changing the sheets. I got the weather strips in the minis. And then I got the hydrate strips. And then I ordered workout habit trackers. But she also has habit trackers that you can get custom too. You can get whatever words you want put in there. And then I got the work scripts. And then I got the work functionals. That is what I got, guys. You have got to go check her out. You can use my code. It's CPG 30, I believe, for 30% off. I will have all my information down in the description below. Don't forget to say my name into notes of seller, and you will get my freebie for that as well. Make sure you are a friend of hers on Facebook, on the Cheerful Planner site, and also friend me at PlannerNina_Crickett on Facebook and on Instagram, so you know when all her sales are going, when all my hauls are going, and my Plan With Me's go up. All right, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed, and safe week. Stay healthy, my friends. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.